5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2 left, 100. 4 left, don't cut, and 2 right over crest, and 2 left, and caution, 4 right tightens to 5 gravel. What's this one? Bridge short, 4 right, 40. Late 5 left gravel, and 3 right don't cut. 40, 2 right, 40, late 5 right after gate gravel, 80, turn 4 left bail inside gravel, and very long 3 left in, into 1 right, and 2 right past sign, 80, late 3 right crest jump, 3 left into 1 right and 2 left over crest, only 80 down, 5 right past lane, and long 3 left into tight 3 right, 40, 2 left, 80, slow 2 right, 5 left in, 130 up, stay out of the ditch, 130 up, very late 5 right after junction, into 5 left don't cut, into 2 right in, crest 3 right slippy, good man Derek, 80, crest jump, only 60, 4 left slippy, into 4 right over crest, tightens to 5, 60, 5 left, into 1 right over crest, 60 down, 2 left over crest, it opens to 1, and care 3 right over crest, don't cut, 60, 1 left over crest, into short 3 right, and 3 left, 40, tight 3 left over crest, 40, 3 right, 80, late 4 left, don't cut, stay out here on this 4 left, 100 to the chicane, right entry, 4 bails, and caution, 2 right over crest, into 3 left bump, bail inside, and 2 left, 40, very long 2 right over crest, tightens to 3, 60, caution, slow 2 left, into sudden 5 right down, brake early, stay in, you know this corner here, this is a bit dodgy one, the long 2 left, good man, 100, 2 right, into 2 left over crest, and care, long 2 right over crest, into 3 left, nips over bridge, 60, care 3 right, and late 4 right, don't cut, into 2 left, 80 up the middle, 3 left, don't cut, 60, slow 2 left, only 40, 5 left, don't cut, past junction slippy, 100 up, long 3 right, don't cut, over crest, past wall, and 2 left into 2 right, into crest, and 1 right, 60, slow 1 right over crest, and tight 3 left in gravel, 40, 2 left, into care, 2 right and 4 right, 60, long 3 right, and caution, long 2 right over crest, and 5 left need, 5 left need, and bridge 1 left, 40 up, 5 right, 40, 2 left, and long 2 right over gravel, into 2 left, don't cut, 40, care, long 3 right gravel, into 1 left, 60, 2 right over crest, into slow 1 left, and short 4 right, and 3 right in, 60, 3 left into 1 right, 2 left, it's 1 right, 2 left, 100, slow, 2 left over crest, into short 4 right, into 2 left, into very long 2 right, nips at the lane, into long 3 left over crest, into sudden 4 right, and chicane, left right entry, 2 bales. 2 bales to chicane, 40 out of it, to a care long 2 left, and crest 4 right, 60, tight 3 left, 150, crest, 5 right gravel past gate, 5 right gravel past gate, 100 out of this. Fast 3 left, don't cut, into stay right on crest, and 3 left in, 60, crest, 100, chicane, right entry, 3 bales. There it is, 80 out of the chicane. Flat crest, and 2 right, 150, chicane, right entry, 4 bales, then turn 4 left over crest, bale inside, big gravel. Watch the 4 left out of this. 60, 2 right, 40, 2 left, and long fast 3 left over crest, and 3 right up, 80, tight 3 left don't cut, and double caution crest jump, and late 4 right down rough, road drops away, 40 bumps, 2 left, 80, fast 4 right opens to 3 bridge, and slow 3 left into square right around the bales, 40 after the square right, jump, done, jump, and fast 4 left, 60 up, caution 2 right over crest nips, into 2 left, 40, care crest 3 left down, 80, 2 right over crest, 80, 3 left past wall, 60, late 3 right over crest, and right on crest jump, no lift. Next one, no lift into this.
Right.
Caution, slow 3 left, into long 5 right narrow, and 5 left don't cut, 80 bridge, 5 left, into very long 2 right, continues for 100, tightens to 4 at big 3. Wait for the big 3, it tightens up there. Then square right, don't cut under the bridge, and turn hairpin left up, drive it. Use the road here. Use the road. 100, 2 left, 100. Caution, 5 left, 5 right under bridge. And finish.